Well, hello dear friends, my name is Edward and welcome to your fourth tutorial on how to make an e-commerce website. So in the last video we pretty much finished the design for our page, and today we're gonna do something new. But before we start, I have made a error right here. Clothes is actually with ES at the end, so you can let that as like that. I want to rename it, so I'm gonna make it clothes. This I'm gonna file save. Now eventually I think that our page is too large, so instead of 1200 I'm gonna make it 1000, you know. So here it's gonna be 900, 1000, and the main content right here with less is gonna be 5, and it's okay. Okay, so now save all. Now we have our page right now, and I also want to change something. I don't want to have a border radius on my page, so I'm gonna comment that out. I'm gonna save all. Okay, now if you have a local host already, you should usually have also PHPMyAdmin. So go there, go to database, and I'm gonna create a new database for our site. So I'm gonna name this junk underscore db. Click enter and everything is done. So I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna create a new table, name site style. Okay, so eventually what is gonna have are actually two rows. Okay, now one is gonna be ID, is gonna be enter, and I think 2 is enough as length. I think you will not have more than 99 style sheets. Okay, and name. Okay, now auto increment index is gonna be primary, and here is gonna be varchar, and varchar probably 15, and it's enough. I'm gonna save that, and it's okay. Now I want you to go here and click insert. Okay, so as name, as ID we'll put nothing, as name put main .css. Okay, so click go, and we have one style named main.css. Okay, now we can close. No, actually keep that in mind. I want you to go to Dreamweaver, and remember that we have this is not my site. Okay, so we don't have a folder name script, but we're gonna create that now. So create a new folder, name it scripts. Click enter, hit enter, sorry. Now go to file, new PHP, delete of the code, PHP. Okay, now eventually what we're gonna do now is to make the script to connect to our database. So I want you guys to type host is equal to for me is localhost. For you, if you use an online host already, it's gonna be the name of your host. and I'm gonna use as well a new online host, but later on in the series. So user is gonna be the user for your SQL. In my case is root. Pass, this is gonna be the password for your MySQL, and I'm gonna pause the video later and I'm gonna enter my password, and DB name, which is the name of your database. In our case is junk underscore DB. Actually I'm gonna put just name. Okay, now MySQL underscore connect, and we connect. Okay, so we connect to the local host with the user root, and the password, your password, MySQL select underscore DB. It's gonna be the DB name, or die MySQL score error here as well. Okay, now what is the error? Tough guy, we forgot here something. Now files, I'm gonna save all, go to scripts, and I'm gonna name it connect like PHP. Good. Okay, we are done. Now go to your index file, and I'm gonna pause the video right now and enter my password, and then come back. Okay, so back. Now we initiate a new PHP block, and the type include underscore once, and we want to connect. So our connect is located in your scripts folder, and is named connect.php. Now we need to clear out our data. So SQL is gonna be equal to MySQL underscore query. I'm gonna type here select all from site style where actually more where name equals, and type here where status equals on limit 1. Okay, so eventually I know that we have a problem now. I want you guys to go back to your phpMyAdmin and click structure, and I want you guys to add another column at the end of the table. So go, I want you to name this status. Okay, it's gonna be enum, and it's gonna be use and on and off. Actually 1 and 0, and by default as defined is gonna be 0. So save. Now go to browse, and I'm gonna edit and put 1. Now go back here and status equals 1. Now eventually what this does is, hey, select all from site style, which is the table name, where status is equal to 1. So we're gonna search in all our table until we find some status equals to 1. Now while row equals MySQL array, and it's going to take us SQL. We are interested by only the name, so style is gonna be equal to row name. Okay, now I want you guys to copy this style and declare it as global variable, doing like that, and come here where it says link rel style sheet type, and instead of main.css we're gonna use PHP. So PHP echo control V. Now save all, and if anything is okay, we're gonna see the page. No, okay. So this is this was the video, guys, today. So in the next video we're gonna, I think we're gonna start making the page, no, actually in the next video we're gonna make other styles for our page. So in order you will have more styles for your design, and I think then I'm gonna upload the video, the site to put it online. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like, if you don't like, don't tell me, don't watch the videos anymore. So see you in the next video. Bye.